Today we're going to assemble the new F-150 GMC Silverado vehicle plate mount to the spoiler. For tools in this video, you're going to need a T25. That is the only tool you will need. Obviously, if you have a cam model, don't forget to remove your cam. Next thing we are going to do is remove the light from the unit. So, it should be in the down position. You pop it up, then you simply press in the very, very top portion and simply pop out. So once you have these two pieces removed, you are now game to remove the 4 main screws. Screw number 1, screw number 2, screw number 3, and screw number 4. After removing all 4 screws, you will then pinch these in and pinch this in, and the light will pop out. So let's try it. Four screws, 1 latch out, 2 latch out. There's your light. Unit. Next step, take your plate that you just purchased from Larson Electronics. It will now sit directly as the pattern shows. Make sure it's not here, bad, not here, bad, directly like shown. Next, pass your cable through. Get it over. Trick is here to line your snaps all the way. Second snap. Perfect. Now it's totally locked in place. Let's go ahead and mount our 4 screws. Let's start in the center. Screw 1. Screw 3. And screw 4. Once you got all 4, go back and just snug them all up a little bit. As you know, this is plastic, so do not over tighten. Once you have the 4 installed, let's go ahead and reattach our light wiring. Simply push in, push down, and lock it in place. Next, you will plug this into your truck if you were to have it, and simply install it from there. There is your F-150 Chevy Silverado.